Welcome to AGMP Consulting, where we simplify technology and protect businesses from the threats that matter most. Today, we're talking about one of the fastest-growing cyber dangers, AI-powered phishing scams. Attackers are no longer sending clumsy emails. With artificial intelligence, they can now generate emails, voices, and even videos that look and sound exactly like someone you trust. And that changes everything. Here's how phishing has evolved with AI. Attackers can scrape LinkedIn or social media to send highly personalized emails. Deepfake voices can trick employees into approving fraudulent payments. AI translation tools allow scams to be delivered in flawless local languages, making them much harder to spot. This isn't the old Nigerian prince scam anymore. These are sophisticated, targeted attacks designed to fool even the most careful employees. The good news is that Microsoft has powerful tools to counter this new wave of phishing. Microsoft Defender for Office 365 uses AI to detect malicious links, suspicious attachments, and abnormal sender behavior before they reach users. Microsoft Entra ID with multi-factor authentication ensures stolen credentials alone won't be enough for attackers to gain access. Microsoft Purview protects sensitive data so even if phishing succeeds, critical information stays secure. Microsoft Security Copilot, an AI-powered assistant that helps security teams investigate threats and respond faster than ever before. Together, these solutions create a layered defense that learns and adapts just as quickly as attackers do. At AGMP Consulting, we help organizations configure, optimize, and manage these Microsoft security solutions to stay protected against the latest AI-driven phishing scams. We don't just deploy the tools, we align them with your business processes, compliance needs, and employee training. So if you're ready to stay one step ahead of attackers, let's talk. Because with AGMP Consulting, you're not just defending against threats, you're building a smarter, safer future.